Hello, hi there, it's Angeline. I'm back with another crafty video with Unity Stamp, and today I'm going to show you how you can use your flock transfer sheets with some stencils. So first, I've already colored and stamped this cute snails by Lisa Glantz called Snailed It. And I'm grabbing some deco foil flock transfer sheets here in various colors which I've already cut down into strips. And I'm also grabbing some stencils from the Crafters Workshop and the deco foil transfer gel. So first, before I do anything, I'm going to ink up my background using some Distress Oxide inks and my makeup blending brush. I'm starting off with some tumbled glass here for the sky, and I'm moving on to the brush corduroy for the ground, and also adding some walnut stain for some darker shades as well. Next, I'm grabbing some deco foil transfer gel here along with my palette knife and cloud stencil to apply the gel to the stencil and creating some clouds in the sky. Then I'm grabbing this honeycomb kind of looking stencil to create some texture for the ground. It kind of looks like pebbles to me, so I'm just going to the different sizes of the honeycomb here and just adding to the ground. Once you're done with your background, just let the gel dry, and you will know once it's dry because it will turn all clear and it is dry to the touch. So now it's time to apply the flock transfer sheet to the gel. I'm just putting different colors in different parts of my background here. You could just rip them up into different sizes here and place it carefully onto your card, putting it through your laminator. Here I'm using the Heidi Swap Mini Mink machine and setting it at the power number 2. Once it's done, just carefully peel off the flock transfer sheet and you will see all your flock transferred right onto the gel. And if you're bugged and annoyed by the excess flock in certain areas that you do not want, I'll teach you a trick on how to remove them later. So now it's time to adhere my cute snails to my card. I'm just adding some foam tape right at the back so that they pop right up on my card. To create even more texture, I'm using the new Nuvo stone drops here to add to the ground, creating some sort like a pebble or stone effect. So once these drops dry, it will actually look like stone. You'll be surprised how interesting this new product is, and I'm kind of obsessed by it. So remember the annoying parts of the flock that are on the unwanted areas of your card? Here is how I remove them. I've used the Tombow sand eraser and just carefully rub it off and it will come off. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this technique and thanks for watching. Bye!